Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a simple rolling flower. For this purpose, I am using 3-ply cotton yarn of 2 different color and a 4mm crochet hook. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. I am going to make 21 base chain. You can make more or less chains according to the desired size. You can make this flower as bigger as you want. So friends, I have completed my base chain. Now start your first row. Go into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet stitch. Now go into the same chain and pull the yarn again and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch again. Now go into the second chain and repeat the same pattern and make 2 single crochet stitches. Now go into the third chain and make 2 single crochet stitches. So make 2 single crochet stitch into every stitch till the end with 40 single crochet stitches. After completing your first row, turn your work and make chain 2. Chain 2 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into this first single crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a second double crochet stitch. Now go into the second stitch and repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now go into the third one and again make 2 double crochet stitches. So we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches into every stitch. We will have total of 80 double crochet stitches in this round. So this is the shape. Now turn your work and make chain 1. Go into the first stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Now make chain 3. Go into the second stitch and make a single crochet stitch. This is a simple chain bordering. Make chain 3. Go into the next stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Make chain 3. Go into the next stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Again make chain 3. Go into the next stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Repeat this simple pattern till the end of the row. So friends, I have completed my flower. After cutting the extra yarn, I have weaved the extra yarn with the help of needle. Now simply roll your flower and join this with the help of needle like this. So weave this flower with the help of needle as you can see in the video. First of all, make a knot here and cut this yarn tail. Now first of all join this side together. After joining this side, now roll your flower and keep knitting like this, as you can see in the video. So simply weave this flower step by step, as you can see in the video. After a few stitches, keep rolling and weaving this flower. You can add this simple rolling flower to different crochet bags, sweaters, your fabric shirts and other decoration purposes. So this is very simple and beginner friendly crochet flower. So if you like this pattern, must try in some crochet projects. You can even make this flower with the help of leftover yarn, because very small amount of yarn is needed to make this flower. Now you can clearly see how to weave this flower. Now join this side as well. So this is the final look. If you like this flower, must try it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.